So, I'm just gonna say to Paulo Cruzada and Ate Dina Guillermo, please, both of you, can you just stop harassing Shania Kiana? Remember, Paulo Cruzada, you were being sued by the mother of Shania Kiana. Remember that, Paulo Cruzada. And what you're saying, you are attempting to rape Shania Kiana. And the mother will file the cases against you, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, what if someone who heard it in public, Paulo Cruzada, if you say about rape joke, oh, even Ate Dina Guillermo, oh, it's not really good. You know, for both of you, Ate Dina Guillermo and Paulo Cruzada, both of you need rehab. And you both of you continue to attack Jerick Silva. Oh, and now what you see, at least I talked with Teacher Vincent Ramos. Oh, well, what's it? All right, let's stop. Oh, you know what? To Ate Dina Guillermo and Paulo Cruzada. Oh, if Teacher Vincent Ramos have filed the cases against both of you, both of you will be better scared in the first place. Oh, right now, Mr. Dennis Gill have filed the cases against Paulo Cruzada. Oh, unjust vexation and bomb threat. Oh, and oral defamation. Even Ate Dina Guillermo have been cases. Oh, bomb threat also. Violated in the anti-terror law. Even Anti-Safe Space Act. That was a violation for Paulo Cruzada. Remember, there's a possible chance to both of you would be in prison. May makukulong na kayo. Like I said, you do not blame Jerick Silva. Oh, wag nyo sisihin si Jerick. Oh, you know what I'm saying. You know, this is really cyberbullying. Just remember, Ate Dina Guillermo and Paulo Cruzada, there will be karma to both of you. Oh, because you know, I was very angry at both of you to continue to attack Jerick Silva. Oh, continuously to harass Jerick. Oh, you even know, Paulo Cruzada, that they didn't do anything to you? Puro ko ganyan, Paulo, like, you know, it's really a cyberbullying. When you say about Viva Bongbong Marcos or Allahu Akbar, long live ISIS, it's really nonsense. It's not really helpful. Paulo Cruzada and Ate Dina Guillermo, why can't both of you shut up? Oh, stop spreading a bunch of lies and cyberbullying. You know, for me, I don't like cyberbullying in social media. Oh, either the teacher Vincent Ramos had seen this, or he read it before. He asked me, why does Paulo Cruzada still continue to attack me? And I asked him, you can file the cases against Paulo Cruzada and Ate Dina Guillermo. Report him to the NBI and send it, those subpoenas. And file the cases against Paulo Cruzada in his house, or Ate Dina Guillermo's house in Quezon City, in Santo Domingo, in her house. Or you can file the cases against them. There's nothing to be worried about. You know, I am not very happy about this situation. It's really causing a chaos.